Hello, everyone. Today we explore a wonderful English idiom, kick back and relax. Imagine you've had a long, busy week. You're feeling drained and all you want to do is unwind. Perhaps you're dreaming of a quiet afternoon reading or a calm weekend getaway. What do you say when you want to suggest taking it easy and truly de-stressing? Let me share a funny story about my friend, Leo, who was just beginning his English journey. He overheard someone say, "I just want to kick back and relax this weekend." Leo's face immediately showed confusion. He literally pictured himself physically kicking something, then attempting to relax. He thought, why exert energy kicking something just to relax? It was a humorous misunderstanding. So, what does kick back and relax truly mean? This idiom means to stop working or doing anything strenuous and instead, simply enjoy a period of rest and leisure. Its figurative meaning is to unwind, de-stress, or take it easy. The phrase likely originated from the physical act of leaning back in a comfortable chair, a posture associated with comfort and ease. Now let's hear how Leo finally grasped the real meaning. His friend explained, "No, Leo, it means to chill out, like when you're on a wonderful vacation with no worries or tasks." Leo then understood it was about enjoying free time without obligations or stress. He realized it was a common way to express the desire for a peaceful, well-deserved break. Here are some example sentences. First, after a long week, I just want to kick back and relax with a good book and a warm cup of tea. Second, let's kick back and relax by the sparkling pool this afternoon. And third, he spent his summer vacation happily kicking back and relaxing on a beautiful beach. To easily remember, kick back and relax, vividly imagine yourself leaning back in a comfortable chair, putting your feet up, and letting all your worries drift away. Visualize yourself in complete ease and tranquility, with no responsibilities. This strong mental image will solidify the idiom's meaning. The phrase kick back emerged in the early 20th century, evolving from the idea of reclining. It gained popularity as a casual way to describe unwinding. Culturally, it reflects a universal human desire for moments of peace and leisure. Famous uses often appear in songs, movies, and literature depicting carefree moments. Let's explore some related sayings. Similar idioms include chill out, take it easy, and unwind. These all capture the essence of taking a break. Opposite idioms are work hard, stay busy, and be on the go. Related idioms include let your hair down, put your feet up, and take a load off, all suggesting relaxation. A common mistake beginner English learners make is using kick back literally, just as Leo did. Remember, it's always figurative, meaning to relax, not to physically kick anything. Another mistake is using this idiom in overly formal contexts. It's an informal phrase. Reserve its use for casual conversations about relaxation, not serious matters. Now, for a quick quiz. Which sentence correctly uses kick back and relax? Is it A, he will kick back the ball, B, I desperately need to kick back and relax after a long day, or C, she will kick back the chair? The correct answer is B, I desperately need to kick back and relax after a long day at work. This sentence perfectly uses the idiom to mean unwinding and resting. To recap, kick back and relax means to unwind, de-stress, and enjoy leisure time. It's a common, informal way to express the human need for rest and peace. Always remember to use it in casual conversations when you want to suggest taking it easy, just like the comforting image of putting your feet up and enjoying a peaceful moment. Now it's your turn. Try using kick back and relax in a new sentence in the comments below. We'd love to see your creative examples. If you enjoyed today's content, please give us a like and follow our channel for more idiom lessons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.